Good morning to all. So this is the 10th session of tenses. In this session I want to explain you what is the present perfect tense. So present perfect tense indicates an action which has completed just now. Is it clear? It indicates an action which has completed just now. Just now means ఇప్పుడే పూర్తయిపోయిన పనులు ఇప్పుడే కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన పనులు తెలియజేయడానికి టెన్స్ ఉపయోగిస్తారు. సో ఇట్స్ టైం పీరియడ్ ఈజ్ షార్ట్. This time period is what is it? Very short. Nothing but within a day, 1 day. Its time period is what is it? Short. Nothing but 1 day. In few minutes. Okay, I completed just now. What is that? I completed. What is that? I completed teaching present continuous tense just now. Okay, and I have uploaded present continuous tense in the YouTube just now. Is it clear? And you have watched it just now. Is it clear? You have joined in WhatsApp recently. So these all these actions have completed recently. All these actions have completed what is that? Recently. So that type of actions it should write in which tense? Present perfect tense. So present perfect tense means when we say perfect, when we complete the action perfectly, then we can say what is that? Perfect. Present continuous means going on action at present. Present perfect means what is that? Going completed action at present. Completed action at present. Is it clear? My time duration is short, 1 day or 1 hour, 1 day, okay, 1 week. Is it clear now? This is, and here the subject structure of the present perfect is subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. So subject object is common, so you can remember has or have plus V3, has or have plus V3. The other one is when there is a perfect in its name, V3 is common. V3 is a common. Continuous inform common. Perfect, what is that? V3 is common. V3 is a common. So present perfect tense structure is what is that? Has or have plus V3, that's enough. V forms usage, have is used for third person singulars. Has is used for what is that? Third person singulars. Have is used for remaining all except third person singulars. You can use have for first person singular and plural. Second person singular and plural, third person plural. Is it clear? This is. And come to the example now. I dash completed my work just now. Just now is the hint. I dash complete my work just now. Just now is the hint. Just now it is one of the hints of present perfect. One of the hints of present perfect. The hints of present perfect is just now, today, already, recently, at, till, still, so far. Is it clear? Just now, today, already, recently, ee madhyane, yet, inka. At means till, still, same mean. So far. So far means ippati varaku. Both all are same means. At inka, still inka, till also inka. So far ippati varaku. So far, these are the hints of present perfect. So just now is the one of the hints of present perfect, so it is a present perfect tense. Okay, after knowing it is a present perfect tense, we have to remember the structure and the way forms uses. After doing these two things, you have to make a question on the subject, which person it is. Which person it is? Singular or plural? Singular or plural? So which person is? It is a first person. Singular or plural? Singular. So what is the right D form here? Has third person singulars remaining on. So first one singular is comes under remaining on. So answer is what is that? Have. You should use verb 3. What is that? Completed. I have completed my work just now. I have completed my work just now. Next one, my friend dash come from America recently. Recently is the hint. What is that? Recently is the hint of hints, one of the hints of what is the present perfect tense. So it is a present perfect. Make a question about what is your subject. My friend. Which person? In place of subject there is no I, there is no we, there is no you. So it is third person. It's a singular, so it is a third person singular. So third person singular, what is the V form? Has. My friend has V3. Come, came, come on. Come, came, come. My friend has come from America recently. ఇప్పుడే ఈ మధ్యన వచ్చారు. నెక్స్ట్ యూ డాష్ పే యువర్ ఫీజెస్ ఆల్రెడీ. యూ డాష్ యువర్ ఫీ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ యువర్ ఫీ ఆర్ ఫీజెస్ ఆల్రెడీ. ఆల్రెడీ ఇస్ ద హింట్. So you is the third, sorry, second person singular or plural. So what is the B form? Have. And pay, V3, paid. You have paid already. You have paid your fees already. Next one, the dash submit their records yet. Yet is the negative one. Yet is the negative. When there is a yet, you have to use the negative form. So they third person plural, so that have. Negative form not. They have not submitted. They have not submitted. When there is a yet, you have to use negative signs. They have not submitted their records yet. Make a question. Have they submitted? Records. Don't write that, leave it. Records. It's interrogative. Negative interrogative. Have they not? Have they not submitted? Records. Haven't they submitted their records? Haven't they submitted their records? This is, so I am repeating once again. Present perfect tense means what is that? It indicates an action which has completed just now. Ippude పూర్తయి కొనుక్కోని తెలియజేయడం. Structure subject plus as or plus V3 plus object. As is used for third person singulars. Have is used for remaining all. These are the hints. So you can make a few own sentences and write it in a present perfect tense. Then you can understand what is the present perfect. Present perfect means what is it? I have explained the example of present perfect tense. Is it clear? So this is the present perfect tense. I hope you could understand. We will meet in the next session. Thank you very much.